Hello, this is Natalia from Inspiration Studio. The products made using Mosaic Tapestry crochet are interesting and look great. The tapestry rows where we use 2 colors per row, can be made differently. I would like to show you the main things you should know before you start. Let's start with the board stitches. I usually take both yarns for the better fixing. Single crochets working is always the same. The not working yarn is inside and covered. While changing the colors, we don't close the stitch, take another yarn and close the stitch with another yarn and follow. But there are different methods to carry yarn while crocheting double crochets. The first method is my invention and I usually use it for the small groups of double crochets. Don't close the stitch, yarn over, close the stitch and follow. The loose yarn behind the double crochet stitches looks like divided into two. I am repeating one more time. The second method is traditional. The carried yarn is behind the work and I don't grab it. The yarn should not be too tight. While working the single crochets in the next row, I grab the loose yarn starting from the second double crochet stitch. And the third method is the easiest. You can grab the yarn during crocheting deceased, so the carried yarn is inside the double crochets. But this method has one imperfection: the carried yarn is visible from the front side, but if it's okay for you, you can use it. You can choose your favorite way of crocheting tapestry rows or combine them. Board stitches at the end of the row. I usually carry both yarns to the end. Additional, I would like to show you some special stitches which I used for this project. Treble crochet with direction to the left, treble crochet right, two treble crochets together, like this video if you find it useful, and happy crocheting!